And reception in the corner. Jabari Mack. Jabari Mack. And by Davis, Malachi Davis to the 21. Greg Wilbur. Greg. Touchdown run by Greg Wilbur. Just ahead 9, Washington.
How responsible.
Destrehan 16, Washington, nothing. 30-yard touchdown pass. Destrehan 29, Washington. Malachi Dabney. Fields downs the ball. Loss of 1. That's the end of the ball game with the final score, Destrehan 30, Washington 12.
10th seed Destrehan hosting 23 seed Ouachita Parish. Jackson Fields, he's healthy and he's ready to go for this playoff run for Destrehan. Hooks up with Jamari Mack for an 11-yard touchdown. Destrehan goes up 23-6 in the third quarter. Ouachita Parish not going away. Montrell Connor calls his own number, gets to the outside, and scores on the 9-yard touchdown run. So it's only a 23-12 Destrehan lead in the third quarter. But this offense for the Wildcats can be very potent behind Jackson Fields. He hooks up with Mack again, 7-yard touchdown. Destrehan goes up 30-12 at that point, and they go on to win by that final score. The Wildcats play Northwood Shreveport in round 2.
Well, let's head out to Wildcat Stadium, where Ouachita Parish took on maybe the most talented 10 seed in the entire playoff field, Destrehan.
Well, they got their quarterback back, and he does it right here with this first possession. Jackson Fields hits Phillip right over the middle. He shows off the speed. 73 yards later, he's in the end zone. Wildcats go up 16-0.
The LSU commit showing why he's one of the fastest receivers in the state. Final seconds of the first half, Ouachita gets on the board, a 2-yard touchdown run by Montrell Connor. Destrehan led 16-6 at the half.
Here we're going to find Jackson again. He drops back, and he finds Greg Wilford right over the middle. 45-yard connection puts the Wildcats in the red zone. Now the drive's going to end on an 11-yard touchdown pass from Jackson to Jamari Mack. I'll get it out. Destrehan goes up 23-6.
I think we can call him Big Mac with all the big plays he's made this year. Destrehan rolls 30-12 over Ouachita Parish. Coach, they have a brutal path to the Dome, but one that they are more than capable of overcoming.